tailor for your car. This is an OEM Fit Pacific model. They have different models for different types of vehicles, and you will have to match up to your exact model before you get this. And this is pretty much going to attach right where your mirror is. And the one that I have is for the F150, and I forgot the year range. I'll have to put it up. I think it's from like 17 to 23 or something like that. And you do still have to match up your model of the mirror itself to make sure that this is going to fit on there. You do get your user manual and some zip ties. Inside you do have different tools, and you do have your adapters. So this is going to plug into the power of your mirror as well, from what I understand. So you do have a dongle with an adapter that's going to connect to that dash cam. We do have the plate, or the other plate, the mount of it. We have a pry tool for the liner, and then we have a few different tools here, and it does come with a 128 gigabyte memory card. Further in the box, we have our rear camera. So this does have a rear camera, and I believe the rear camera on this one is 1080p. Anyway, I'll go ahead and work on getting it installed. I'll let you know how easy it was. I'll show you the installation or after the installation, and we'll get you some footage. But I am pretty excited to find out how well this works. Let's go get it hooked up and get some footage. All right, so I got the dash cam all set up. I've been using it for a couple of days, driving around, trying it out. And I think it looks great. It looks like something that belongs on the truck. It just goes in right underneath the mirror and attaches really easily with just one screw. And it was just one of the easiest that I have ran and installed. Now the rear camera, I ran through the liner, and I do have it just coming out right here at the top on the mount that I have. I know a lot of people like dash cams for nature and just capturing their drives and stuff. So I did drive on the beach, got a little bit of footage of that. Doing a test, and I'm just doing a little bit of driving on the beach, see how well it works with faster motion. All right, so it does have an app that's pretty easy to use. I will show a screen recording with it. So when you are connected, it does show a live view. You could also pause. You could also start recording. You could take pictures. You could download your files. You could go into your camera files, and you can see your files right there, the ones that you're going to save and everything. Also, this does have parking mode and everything, but you do have to have the hardwire kit for that. As for the camera settings, this one is fairly basic when it comes to the settings that you can do with it, and which I like that as well. The app is really easy to use, really easy to connect, and just pretty much do everything on here. Anyway, I really do like this dash camera. They do have them for a lot of different models of cars. They have them designed for a lot of different vehicles. They're very easy to install, very easy to use, and they do pretty good quality. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.